I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make your own vitamin E hair oil, which is highly effective in extreme hair growth, treating hair fall, and it is a quick fix for hair loss which usually occurs due to environmental changes. This hair oil will strengthen your hair follicles and will make your hair long, strong, lustrous and healthy. Vitamin E basically has antioxidant properties that helps to repair damaged hair follicles and prevent tissue corrosion, which in turn encourages healthy hair growth. It also deeply conditions the hair from root to shaft to make it healthier, shinier, long, strong and much thicker. This hair oil will also prevent premature hair graying and will help to repair your dry, damaged and frizzy hair. And to prepare this hair oil is so simple and easy. You firstly have to take 2 teaspoons coconut oil in a clean bowl to prepare this highly effective hair oil. After that you are gonna need castor oil. You just have to add 2 teaspoons castor oil in it. Then you're gonna need olive oil and you have to add 1 teaspoon olive oil in it, and if you don't have olive oil then you can even replace it with almond oil. And the last ingredient which you need is 4 vitamin E capsules. Just have to cut them and take out the oil from the capsules. So now after adding all the 4 ingredients, you just have to give everything a good mix. And once everything is properly mixed, your homemade vitamin E hair oil is ready and it will look like this. And it's one of the best and highly effective hair oil for extreme hair growth, and it also treats premature hair graying, baldness, hair fall and hair loss. And it makes your hair long, strong, healthy, shinier and much stronger and thicker. And the procedure to apply this hair oil is so simple. You just have to firstly apply this hair oil all over your scalp and on your hair length and massage it for good 5 to 10 minutes. And after that leave it overnight, and if you don't have much time then you can even leave it for 1 or 2 hours. And after that wash your hair with normal water. And if you want best results out of this hair oil, then you have to apply it once or twice a week. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.